Good morning, friends. And here is the part 3 of the video for Stream-Based Farms Limited. Follow me inside. By my left side, we have a security house. My right side is the security room. Everything is in standard form. Here is the kitchen. And here is the toilet. Here is the staircase. We don't do management here. We build everything in standard way. Right now, you can see the thing has been completed to the decking level. So as from next week, we will start decking it. And the security house is an upstairs. And the reason why we are building it upstairs is that the security man will be there and oversees everything that is happening within and outside the company. And that is the reason why we are building it an upstairs. By my right side, we have one shop and 2 stores. Meanwhile, the small house over there is a visitor's toilet. While here is the shop. And the shop is meant for selling of the best equipment, like feeding plates, feeding water, drugs, and others. And here is the second store. This is meant for packing of the feed, while the third one is meant for the packing of the eggs. Follow me, view it clearly. The pillars has been completed. So we are planning to start the roofing it next week. Everything about the store and the security house has been completed. There over for the security house, we will start the decking it, while the store will start roofing it next week as well. Let's move down to my right side. Hello, good morning, my fellow friends and I'm bringing you people back to Stream-Based Farms Limited, located at Umuma Isi Aku in Idato South, Imo State. And right now we have commenced the work. And as you can see, the completion of the security house is ongoing on both the stores. And not only that, we are into dry season now. Then it was raining. That was the reason why we just paused the work. But now we are into dry season, so the work has commenced. And here is the 3 stores, while the other one is the security house. This is the level for decking. And the work is ongoing. Here is the main poultry house. We have finished blending it, and very soon, in the next 10 minutes or 20 minutes, while the iron bender will be here for him to start his own work. By the special grace of God, next week we are going to get the level of here and start mounting our pillars. Here is the warehouse. I mean the poultry house. It's meant for the poultry. Meanwhile, while going through it, you can see the landmark of it. It's big enough for the poultry house. And here is the office for the company. A well-furnished office. And even my workers, they are welcoming. I'll keep on updating you while the work is ongoing. Every day by day, I keep on updating you. Here is the back side of the office. You can even follow us on Twitter, on Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. And I'll keep on updating you every day while the work is ongoing. Subscribe. Now the digging for the poultry house has been completed, both the blending. As you can see, it's very big enough. The length is 160 meters and why the width is 40 meters, so it's big enough, and it's meant for the broilers. And this is the section A, and after the completion of this we have section B for the layers. And the reason why we demarcate it like this is for the pillar so that it will be solid. And now the work is ongoing, but the reason why we stopped is because of the rainy season. Then it was still raining heavily, so that was the reason why we stopped. And now we are on dry season and the work has commenced. Right over there, you will see another digging that is going behind the poultry house. And let's move down closer and see it clearly and know the reason why they attach something like that. Okay, you can see, and here is gutter. It's meant for the water. We channel the water so that the damages will not be too much like that. Why? Because then when the rain was even much and we have some challenges, I mean damages over there, because the land is not balanced. So that's the reason why we put gutter, so that the water will have way to move away, for us not to encounter any damages again. That's the reason why we construct this gutter. As you can see, the carpenter man is working. We are trying to channel the water so that the water will have a way to move out. And here is the little challenge we have. And right now you can even view the compound so clearly. It's very big enough to contain. Over there is the office. And right away, I want to advise for those who have such project at hand or want to start this project, that first of all, you must be far from the residence. I mean where people are staying, where people are living, because of the noise from the birds. Number two, you will have money. I mean, you will have enough capital to start this project. Because there is nothing like any management on this project. Number 3, you will check the land, the site where to build the company, because it requires a very far distance from where people are staying. It requires money, capital to back it up. Because as you can see now, what we are building here is very standard. We don't do management here. Everything is so strong, so tested. And you can even maybe follow us on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. And while the work is going on, I'll keep on updating you every day by day to tell you what is happening and how the work is going. Subscribe.